We started off with framing the exterior walls first before getting the heavy timbers installed, because if we put the heavy timbers up first, it was going to make it harder to stand these walls up. So we've got the exterior walls basically all framed out, and then starting next week, I believe they're going to start setting the posts and then putting the overhead beams up. We've got some of the timbers on site, so we're gonna start setting them next week. This is kind of what the raw state looks like. This front section is going to be a covered patio that sticks out right here. And then we've got a few French doors right here. This is the tallest part of the house. And then the roof line is sloping in one direction, slopes back. This right here is the dining room. Then the entries right here will be a little shed roof that comes down, kind of frames up that entry to be covered. Okay, we've got the primary bedroom here. So here's a window. There's another window there and there. This is for the other bedroom. So there's a wall that happens right here between these like set of windows. And then this is all primary bedroom. There's the French doors that look out, 2 windows. The bed will be basically right here. And then this is closet space. And then the 2 little windows are in the shower there. This is for the primary bathroom. They're a great size. Let me flip it around and show you me standing under them so you can see kind of line of sight how that works. All right, so the windows are basically right at the bottom of my head, and I am 5'6". So they're a great height for an awning, which will have a crank here to be able to pop that window out. And then the floor level is actually a lot lower than the ground level is a lot lower than the house floor level. So they won't be able to look in the window at all. So we've got second bedroom here, guest bedroom. And then this is the great room area here, French doors. And then there's a window here and a tall window here, and in between is the fireplace that goes up. This is the dining room here with French doors that go out to the patio. These windows here look over to what's going to be the cottage. This is the entry door, laundry room, kind of mechanical closet here. Third bedroom office in this area with these 2 sets of windows. And then the kind of 4th bedroom or man cave is this square right here. And then we have like an internal hallway and bathroom that happens right here in the center. This is the house. Very tall ceilings throughout. It's about 20 feet from here to there. And I think on this side, it's about 13 feet. All right, I'm just past the gates and just wanted to show you guys kind of the mudslide situation that's happening here. I'm past the 2 trees that split the road. So this is the area that they cleaned up today. I think it keeps having a slide, and they've been coming here almost daily to clean it up. But it's coming from